Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, hello, hello guys. In this morning, I wanna share for my story on the last week and in the holiday. So I I holiday from the middle middle month, yeah, in December until to the 1 week after January. I'm holiday in I I I go to I want I go I go to the my home in the Kalimantan. So after the program from campus, that is hiking in the 1 or until 1 2 3, yeah, 3 day. That's after that, I I I write or I use shape, yeah, shape kapal apa kapal ship ya, betul. I use ship to the from the Semarang, that's from the Semarang to the Pontianak city. That I I use ship for 40 horse, yeah, in the ship, on the ship. That's the journey. So after I arrived in the Pontianak city, that's I to my home. So I I do anything about family time, yeah, that is meeting about family, and I'm playing, I'm go to the beach to holiday. So in the beach is